Okay, in this video, we will look at the heart, the pericardial cavity, and more features of the circulatory system. So this membrane we see here is the transverse septum. So the first part is, if we look down here, this sort of membrane right there represents the sinus venosus. That is the first receiving chamber for blood. From the sinus venosus, blood will then go to the atrium. So the atrium is a fairly soft structure right there. That's the atrium. So blood will go from the sinus venosus into the atrium. From the atrium will go into the ventricle. The ventricle is a muscular structure. It's the main pumping structure. On the top of the ventricle, we have the coronary arteries. Those deliver blood directly to the heart itself. From the ventricle, we have the sinus conus arteriosus. That is a straight chamber here. And then from there, we go into the ventral aorta. That's this thin-walled structure here. At this point, the blood is all deoxygenated. Off of the ventral aorta, we have these branching, 5 sets of these branching afferent branchial arteries. The afferent branchial arteries deliver blood to the gill tissue, where gas exchange occurs. Next, what happens is that from the gill tissue, blood is delivered to the efferent branchial arteries. We have 2 here. There's one right here and one right there. There are 3 other sets, and then from both sides. So all these efferent branchial arteries will coalesce into the dorsal aorta, and that will run down through the dorsum of the animal.